How long does it take to start read and write Arabic? The answer is 3 hours. Wow. 3. Hello everyone, Saif here and welcome to my channel Arabic with Saif. I'm here to help you to discover the new world with Arabic language. Do you want to change your life? Make more money? Get good job offers? Travel and communicate with so many people? Do you want to learn new language and improve your skills? If the answer is yes, so you are in the right place. Arabic with Saif channel will help you to achieve your targets in a very short time. How long does it take to start read and write Arabic? The answer is 3 hours. No way. 3, yes. Total level 1 about 1 hour and total level 2 about 2 hours. That means 3 hours. That time you can read and write Arabic. Then you will be surprised that you can read and write it. This will be the base. After this, we will build together. Arabic is one of 6 official languages in the United Nations. It's spoken by around 422 million speakers, native and non-native. There are different dialects of Arabic, but the Egyptian dialect is the best choice for new learner because it is the most used dialect in the media. The question is, why should I learn Arabic language? There are many reasons. Arabic is not hard to learn. I know it does have a different writing system than English, but once you master the Arabic alphabet, you can learn it quickly. A lot of language learners are worried about the sounds of Arabic. In fact, the majority of Arabic sounds are also found in English. There are countless benefits to learn any foreign language, not only Arabic, as it helps you to develop new skills. Even the ways of seeing and interacting with the world around you might change. If you are looking to enhance your professional profile in order to find a better job, learning Arabic is one of the best things you can do. Speaking Arabic will give you the opportunity to communicate with so many people in so many countries. Now, it is the right time to boost your career, as the economy is booming in Arab-speaking countries. For example, Saudi Arabia has a GDP about $18 billion. Wow, how many zeros? And because of only few people who know Arabic in Western countries, mastering the language will make you stand out in every job application. That means any Arabic speaker has far more chances to find a job position, especially in fields such as engineering, business, finance, and banking, and the list goes on and on. And if you want to know more about the second largest religion in the world, Islam, learning Arabic definitely will help you. Okay, another question. How to start and what I need to do? Start with me right now. Arabic course everywhere is very expensive, but with me is free. Okay, what I need? 8 things. Number 1, set your goals, short term and long term, and write them down. Number 2, be patient and don't be in a hurry. Number 3, use the language all day, every day. Number 4, have fun and enjoy it. Number 5, make new friends. I will be the first one. Number 6, don't worry about making mistakes. Number 7, you need notebook, pencil, and eraser. 8, and final, dedicate daily time for studying. Important note, guys, this is not English course. So any mistakes in English grammar or any pronunciation, please ignore it. It's Arabic course. Arabic. That was only quick introduction, and now bring your notebook, pencil, eraser, and get ready for level 1, lesson 1. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, stay ready and confident. Don't forget to subscribe, and there is the subscribe button. Perhaps you can see me every day. How cool is that? All right, get you guys next lesson. Salam.